Can you say drama? Because drama are these lashes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, thank you for being here. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this lovely look right here with all the drama in the lashes and all the colorful colors that I played with today. So yeah, short and sweet like I said in the last video. So without further ado, let's make it do what I do. Okay. So to start off this look, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Daily Mineral Infused Face Primer, putting that underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my chin, and rubbing that in to get a nice base going for us and a little bit on the nose. Next, to prime my eyes, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, best primer in my opinion that I'd have. Then I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender or beauty sponge, and just make sure that the concealer is nice and blended evenly into the eyeballs. Then setting that with my CoverGirl loose setting powder on a Morphe brush. Picking up this shade in the Morphe 3502 palette and using that color as my transition shade. I really wanted to get a nice deep brown transition shade for this look because I didn't want it to just fade into the background, but I thought this would be a nice color. Picking up this shade, it's kind of like a purplish brownish color. Picking that up with my Morphe M411 brush, putting that into the crease to define it and to deepen up the brown transition shade just a tad bit more, so we get a nice transition. Then going in with the first brush and no extra colors or product on there, just blending those two beautiful shades together to make sure that they blend nice and evenly. Going in with this purple shade in the Anissa Subculture palette and really focusing this color on the outer part of my eye, and then I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye as well. Just really want to deepen up those areas and then make sure they are nice and blended inward and also along the crease. Picking up the shade Royal, I believe, in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and going in with it to cover the rest of the lid, and then I'm going to go in on top of that, but I really wanted this color to go underneath. Then going in with this purple shade and just deepening up the crease a little bit more. Again, blending all those colors together so that it is nice and even and no choppiness is happening and everything is smooth as ever. Then this is the fun part, picking up the NYX primer or the NYX glitter glue, putting it on a flat e.l.f. brush and putting it where I want the glitter to go. Then I'm picking up the NYX pigment in the shade Silver, I believe it is called, but I will leave everything in the bottom bar below. And just dabbing it in the center of the eye or the eyelid. I really wanted this silverness to be in the focal point of the eye. So not all over the lid, but just in the middle. Nice, vibrant, gold sparkle. Hello! Eyeshadow, am I right? Then going back in with no product and just blending the purple shade and the silver glitter pigment specks, whatever you want to call them, together so that we have a nice even look and it doesn't look that it doesn't go from just, it flows effortlessly basically. For foundation, I am trying the CoverGirl Elixer foundation, I believe it is, and I'm in the shade 725. Again, I will leave everything in the bottom bar below. This was my first time trying it, and surprisingly, I did love it. I still use it to this day, and so far, so good. I mean, it has a good scent to it. It blended really nice, and it worked for me. Perfect. To concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand, highlighting underneath my eyes, the forehead, and my chin, and a little bit of my nose. Then just going to set that with my CoverGirl loose setting powder with my damp beauty sponge everywhere I put concealer so that it doesn't move, crinkle, wrinkle, or anything. For bronzer, I need to get a new one. I know, but it's my favorite one for right now. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and we're just going to add some color to the face. So along the forehead, the temples, and down the sides of the cheeks to add some color back to this face. Then just dusting off the rest of the powder that we set underneath the eyes, forehead, and the chin. Just dusting it away. Dust away. For highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. I'm not too sure. I think this is Moneymaker, I believe. But again, I will leave everything in the description bar below. I absolutely love this highlight. It's perfect. I just think it gives you like a nice glow if you don't want to go too intense. But you can go too intense if you won't, you know. Do you, girl. Do you. Then picking up the transition color that we had and just running that underneath the lower lash line. I don't want the lower lash line to be too intense because we got a lot going on up above. So just keep it nice and simple down below. Just picking up a little bit of the purple, adding it just to the outer corners of the eye. Not really dragging it all the way in, but just keeping it on the outer corner. Whew, lashes are on, and girl, Nicole Guerrero did not disappoint with these lashes. Black eyeliner to set the look. For the lips, I'm going in with the NYX lip liner in the shade London, just to line the lips, fill them up a little bit so that they're not bare with nothingness and have a little bit of color to them. Then over top, I'm going in with it's an ULTA lip gloss. It's called the Shiny Lip Gloss from ULTA, and it's perfect on top of a lip liner. Absolutely love it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys like this look. It is gorgeous. And can we talk about these lashes? They are the, okay, they are the Laura Nicole Guerrero 143 lashes. Yeah, this is what they look like. Drama. I also have, so she has two that she came out with Laura, if you don't already know. So it's Laura Nicole Guerrero casually glamorous, and then she has the hashtag 143. I actually really like them both. I've tried both of them on, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. But these are drama to the absolute max. Okay, Nicole Guerrero, I see you, girl. I see you. All right. And yes, I really hope you guys like this look. It is, I don't know, I kind of just sat down and played with some colors and decided to pop in a little bit of silver in there somewhere, and just a basic nude lip. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, so I will see you guys next video. Bye!